Here at home on my way in today, I was looking out the window thinking, wow, what a nice day. And then Craig's already tracking the radar. Typical, South Florida weather.
Summer in South Florida, right, Craig?
That's right. You get the storms just about any time. Lately, though, we've been favoring mainly afternoon and evening activity. That's going to continue right through the end of the weekend. Now it looks like maybe even the weekend. Here's Everglades Holiday Park camera this afternoon looking off to the west where storms are mostly over the Everglades right now. It's thundering in western Broward, parts of western Miami-Dade, 85 in Miami, 86 Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, and 88 in Key West. Sticking scales a 7. Feels like 92 right now. Southeast breeze at 11. And we've had about a 1/10 of an inch of rain at MIA. Other parts of South Florida have received quite a bit more rain. In terms of the radar right now, the bigger picture here showing storms moving to the north from Cuba. That's in that deep tropical flow. Lots of storms over the northwest Bahamas and scattered storms across South Florida. Some activity now coming up into the lower Keys there just south of Big Pine Key. Other little rain is winding down near Duck Key. In Miami-Dade County, some storms trying to come out of the Everglades now. I think we're going to see this as we go through the evening, the activity increasing. And in Broward, the same story. Storms trying to work their way east. Now the heaviest activity is mainly south of Alligator Alley there, mainly along Chrome Avenue where it runs into US 27. But once again, I think we're going to see some spotty storms as we go through the evening. Feels like temperatures, everybody's in the upper 80s to the mid 90s. Definitely humid, but not exceptionally hot. Again, today our high temperatures only in the upper 80s to right around 90 thanks to all the clouds. But for a time we did see some sun, but you can see the thunderstorms going up late this afternoon. Bigger picture showing that there's spotty storms ranging from the Caribbean across Cuba right up into the southeast U.S. This is all part of a deep moisture plume that's over us and going to last. It looked earlier like it was going to clear us by the weekend, but now one little hanging on area of moisture there through Sunday. Looks like it'll keep our storm chances around. Maybe we'll get some drier air in next week. In the tropics, of course, we're watching two systems, but that's not all. First off, Paulette as well as Renee, both tropical storms. Paulette's still looking marginally healthy. Renee kind of struggling today, hasn't changed too much. The threat cones take both of the storms to the northwest in the next 5 days. So as we get into the weekend, really no threat to the Caribbean or even to the southeast U.S. Of course, we'll have to keep an eye on both of these, but it looks like they're going to stay out in the ocean. The other things we're watching, though, they are over Africa now. Two waves, and this time of year it's easier to track the waves that are about to merge on the ocean just because they're so active. This lead wave is a little bit farther south than Renee, so we'll watch it a little more closely. High development potential by the time we get into the weekend. Temperatures across the country, the big cold front we've been talking about, it has cleared Denver. Yesterday at this time it was 92 in Denver. Now it's 35. And they've had some snow. Our forecast for tonight, no snow, of course, and we don't even see snow mostly in the winter. Evening storms, quiet overnight, a low near 76. For tomorrow, look for sun to start. Storms develop, high temperature near 88 degrees. On the water, winds out of the east, averaging about 10 to 15, seas running 2 to 3 feet, a light chop on the bays, and taking us through the rest of the week, looking like more storminess, not a weekend or weekday washout, but passing storms from time to time right into the weekend. Back to you.